So come to the second part of the exercise 9.1, that is question number 12. So in the question number 12, from the top of the 7-meter height building, it's a 7-meter height building, AB is a 7-meter height building. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is a cable tower, that is C is the tower, and from point B its angle of elevation is 60 degree, and angle of depression, that's why it is second part, because here we can use the angle of depression, that is 45 degree. From here you can use the angle of depression, that is 45 degree. If it's a 45 degree, so it means that is also 45 degree. These line is parallel to each other. So AB equal to CD equal to 7 meter, and BD is equal to AC, that is AC that is equal to BD. Now we use the first triangle ABC. Here angle is 45 degree, so tan theta is equal to AB upon AC. AB upon AC, perpendicular upon base. So AB is 7 and tan 45 is 1. So it's become AC equal to 7 meter. Now we know that AC equal to BD, so that is also equal to 7 meter. So another triangle we can use BDE. BDE, theta is 60 degree, ED upon BD, that is tan theta. So ED upon 7, BD that is 7. So tan 60, it's become under root 3. So ED is become 7 under root 3. But we want to find height of the tower, that is EC. EC is the height of the tower. It's combination of the 2 points, that is CD and DE. So CD and DE. CD is, that is 7, and ED is 7 under root 3. The 7 is common, it becomes 7 under root 3 plus 1 meter. That is height of. Now come to the question number 13. Here one lighthouse, AB is a lighthouse. AB is a lighthouse, that is 75 meter height. And the two ships, C, they are located at point C and D. A person is observing from the height, that is the top of the lighthouse, the angle of depression of the two ships, that is 30 degree and 45 degree. So it's become a 30 degree and that is become 45 degree. Right? That is the angle of depression. So first we use the triangle, that is ABC. AB upon BC, that is equal to tan 45. The 75, the value of BC, AB 75 upon BC equal to 1. So BC is equal to 75 meter. Then we use the triangle ABD. ABD, the another triangle. Here the theta is 30 degree. So AB upon BD, that is tan 30 degree. So 75 upon BD equal to 1 upon root 3. So BD equal to 75 root 3. So BD, so we want to find the value of DC. Here we want to find the value of DC. So DC equal to BD minus BC. BD minus BC. So you get 75 root 3 minus 75. 75 is common. So 75 bracket root 3 minus 1 meter. Right? So that is the distance between the two ships. Now come to the next question, that is the question number 15. A straight highway that leads the foot of the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observe a car at an angle of depression is 30 degree, which is approaching toward the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So first, a person is sitting here. He observed that when a car at the point C, the angle of depression is 30 degree. And after 6 seconds, it's come to the point D, and angle of depression, that is become 60 degree. Right? So let the height of the tower is AB and the speed of the car is x meter per second. The time taken by car from C to D, that is 6 seconds, and the distance covered by the car from C to D, that is become 6x. Speed into time, that is become the distance. Speed into time, it's a distance, so it's become 6x. So time taken by the car from D to B, from this point D to point B, let it say t second. So it means the distance covered by the car, that is xt, right? So now we can use the triangle ABC. Here the angle is 30 degree. Here the angle is 30 degree. ABC is a triangle, angle is 30 degree, that is AB upon BC. AB upon BC. Here we use AB upon BC. So AB, the BC is 6x plus tx. 6x plus tx, right? And tan 30 degree, that is 1 upon root 3. So AB equal to 6x plus xt upon root 3. That is 6x upon xt upon root 3. And ABD. ABD is a triangle. Here AB upon DB, that is equal to tan 60. So AB upon TX, BD, that is the distance TX, equal to root 3. The tan 60, that is root 3. Now AB is equal to TX root 3. It's equation number 2 and that is equation number 1. From equation 1 and 2, you find that TX root 3 equal to 6x plus xt upon root 3. Now root 3 is multiplied from there, so you get root 3, that is become 3. Root 3 it's become 3, so it's become 3tx, that is 6x plus xt. Now xt is converted from this side, and 3tx minus xt, you get 2tx equal to xt. X is cancelled with x, so t equal to 6 upon 2, you get 3. So it means that 3 seconds required to the car move from point D to point B, right? And the total time it can consume from C point to B point, that is 9 seconds. So that's about your exercise 9.2. Thank you and have a nice day.